Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to be working on the Nighthawk again. We're just plugging away on this restoration. We're going to be recovering the seat, and then we're also going to install the side panels and put some decals on them. And the bike's going to, I feel like, look basically complete at the end of this, so stay tuned. Cheers. Pull the rest of these staples out. Alright, that's going to do it for this week's video. I know I mentioned I was going to be finishing the exhaust for this week. We've just run into some issues. I'm having to do some welding and it's just kind of a pain. So that's going to be out next week. So stay tuned for that. But again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, we got merch, baby. Link down below. You can support me. There's some cool merch. I'm going to be adding other logos to it as well, other than just Moto Mango, so that it's a little more applicable to people that might not want to support a Moto Mango shirt, which is totally fair. And remember, if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers.